Hi boys and girls, I want to start this day by going over something that you completed yesterday. So many of you on your novel studies did a great job. Some of you had a great start and some of you need to do more work. So I want to read to you what the form says for directions, okay? What it says is to receive full credit, you must, 1, restate the question in your answer. 2, write at least 3 complete sentences in each answer. And you could go back to the novel if you needed text evidence or ideas to do that, but you needed to write 3 complete sentences. And the third thing was I wanted you to think about capitalization and punctuation. Now, I'm not super strict on that because you're typing and I know that's difficult, but I do want to see that you're thinking about it. And if some of you are writing to me in all caps or not capitalizing first names like Claudia and Jamie, that's the sort of thing that I'm going to consider to be an error, okay? Restating the question. I know that this is a new concept for you guys, so let's go through it. There was a video for you to watch on the form, and you can watch that again before you try to answer the questions again. But just to give you an example, number 1, there were only 3 questions. So number 1 was, in chapter 9, why does Claudia ask Jamie not to call her Lady Claudia anymore? Okay, one of you answered like this. Claudia asked Jamie not to call her Lady Claudia because they are paupers now. Claudia said that they were paupers because they gave all their money to their cab driver. Claudia told Jamie to tip the cab driver, but he gave him all of their money and now they can't get home. Now that is 3 complete sentences. Okay, this person restated the question in their answer. So the question was, why does Claudia ask Jamie not to call her Lady Claudia anymore? And this person starts their answer with, Claudia asked Jamie not to call her Lady Claudia because, okay, so you have to restate the question in the answer. Now the next 2 questions weren't quite as easy to restate the question, but you can still do it. So for example, the next question is describe Mrs. Basil E. Frankweiler's house. This person answered, Mrs. Basil E. Frankweiler's house used to be a museum. So right off the bat, we know that this person is describing the house, okay? I'm looking for complete sentences. A one-word answer is not going to do it. You only have 3 questions to answer, and if you need to go back and reread the novel, if you can't answer these questions with 3 sentences, that means we need to go back and read, okay? The page numbers are on the form, and the video is there. Read aloud. Listen to it if you would like, okay? As much as you need to give me good answers. Now how this is going to work is I'm going to share this link with your parents in an email if you need to readdress it. If what I got the first time was great, you didn't get an email and you're good to go and you don't have to rework this. Keep up that great work and do it next time we have an assignment like this. If you got the link to redo it, don't be discouraged. Many of you had a great start. But to get full credit on this assignment, you need to follow those directions. So maybe you did complete sentences and maybe you didn't. Maybe you thought about punctuation and maybe you wrote to me in all caps. Or maybe you did all of those things except for you didn't try to restate the question in your answer. Okay? So we can discuss these things further in our book clubs this Wednesday. But until then, I want you to try and give this a better shot. I know you can do better work than this, okay? All right, I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.